Everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Kingdom, Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin ito ng reaction video, ang latest na kinanta ng JML entitled Shallow. I think this is the first time nakakantahin nilang kantang to, and this song, it's so very emotional talaga for me because aside from you have to showcase your vocal prowess here, you have to invest the correct emotion talaga sa kantang to. And yeah, I watched this, I share ko lang sa inyo ha, I watched this covered song ng Shallow sa The Voice All-Star, if I'm not mistaken, based in Thailand. And so far, sila pa lang talaga yung nakaka-nail ng kantang yon for me, itong sa Shallow na to, if gagawan man nila ng cover. So ito naman, feeling ko ibang atake to kasi the Shallow usually that I heard is parang powerful, like puno ng, parang sorrowful ang emotion. Pero hindi ko alam kung paano nila to i-execute ng JML kasi every time talaga na magkadikit sila and magkatingin na lang talaga is kinikilig na talaga ang budhi ko. Parang ginaganong ganun ang budhi ko for today's video. Chika lang. So yeah, ang haba na ng introduction ko. Without further ado, let's all watch this. The Shallow cover performance of JML or JM De La Serna and Mariel Montellano in Showtime Online U. So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for you to be updated on the next new upload. Without further ado, let's all watch this.
JML in the house.
Welcome back, Showtime Onliners!
Akala ko yung nagsabi ng JML in the house si ano? Si Jay. Ano daw? Sorry.
Ano gusto niyo po?
Why are you twinning today?
Twinning today. Twinning today. Patay mali. Si JM yung nakapansin. Si Mariel, patay mali siya. Talaga siya, bakit twinning sila? Pero si JM talaga, nag-react talaga siya. Nakita niyo ba yung reaction ni JM doon? Nag-react talaga siya.
Day.
Ayan o. Late reaction siya o. Di ba? Siguro sabi JM, huwag mo nang pansinin. Ay, malamig ang version. Yeah, feeling ko ibang version itong maririnig ko for today's video kasi malamig. Usually kasi talaga powerful itong version na naririnig ko ng Shallow. Powerful. Itong malamig. I don't know, baka powerful naman tapos malamig ang boses ni JM. No? No, ulitin natin. Sorry. Ulitin nga natin from the top. Sorry. I know marami akong boses. Sorry, guys.
Let's go, JML. Saan gusto
Okay.
niyo po?
Why are you twinning today?
Why are you twinning today? Yan. Late reaction. Late reaction.
Tell me something, girl.
Okay.
Are you happy in this modern world? Or do you need more? Is there something else you're searching for?
Wait lang, ang ganda ng enunciation niya doon. Ang perfect ng diction niya doon. Like, seriously, gusto kong pumikit, pero ayaw kong pumikit kasi gusto kong makita silang kumakanta together. But I really love it. Try nyo, pikit kayo sa part na to.
Do you need more?
Dito, sa part na to, pumikit kayo. Napakagaan ng buhay.
Is there something else you're searching for?
Love that. Diba? Nakita niyo yung reaction ni Mariel? Nakita niyo yung reaction ni Mariel? Nasarapan din doon si Mariel. Like, irrigasm yun. Diba? No. Ulitin natin kasi hindi niyo marinig eh.
You're searching for.
Grabe, oh. Nag-react si Mariel doon. Love it. Ang ganda nun.
All the good times I find myself longing for change.
Grabe naman makatingin. Wait lang, bakit umiiwan si Mariel sa tinginan ni Jay? Parang alam mo yung si JM, kumakanta siya pero hinahati niya yung meaning ng kanta or lyrics ng kanta sa kay Mariel kasi tinitingnan niya talaga parang alam mo yung gusto niyang ilapit yung mukha niya kay Mariel. Ayan na. Ayan na.
It ain't the bad times I feel myself.
Ang ganda ng decrescendo niya, no? Yung tipong malakas tapos hihinaan niya. Yan yung decrescendo. Ganda.
Tell me something, boy.
Lamig.
Aren't you trying to fill that void?
Ganda. Ang boses naman ni Mariel, alam mo yung parang buo, tapos ang lamig. Alam mo yun?
You trying to fill that void.
Binalik ko para hindi tayo mabitin.
Or do you need more? Made it hard keeping it so hardcore. I'm falling.
Low notes? Wow! Low notes?
In all the good times I find myself
Ay! Char, tinginan na naman sila.
watching.
I cannot wait.
In the bad times I feel myself above the deep end.
Wait, I'm expecting that. Yeah, ibang-iba to sa mga napanood kong rendition ng Shallow. Usually kasi powerful na yung atake nila dyan. Like, full chest voice kung full chest voice. Pero sa kanila talaga, nagmula talaga sa diaphragm nila. Nagmula talaga sa chan nila. Linabas talaga nila sa cart. Pinadaan sa cart at linabas sa bibig. Ang ganda nun. It's just like, sorry sa term, pero parang alam mo yung pagkumanta silang dalawa nun sa part time, parang wala sila, hindi sila nakaranas ng ubo or wala man lang bara ng plema ang kanilang mga lalamunan. Ang lamig, napaka-flowerish ng paglabas ng words doon. Seryoso.
For change. And in the bad times I feel myself
Okay?
above the deep end.
Nice.
I'll never meet the ground.
Wow!
Crash to the surface where they can hurt us. We'll fall from the shallow now.
Grabe, wait lang. Can we just repeat that? Ang lamig-lamig. I'm really sorry. Hindi ako makamove on talaga dun sa chorus part na parang nilalabas na talaga nila lahat ng emosyon ng kanta. Pero in a very subtle way, yung tipong alam mo yung pigil na pigil sila na mag-belt out. Pero ang ganda pa din tingnan kasi parang nagbe-belt out sila or nag-chest voice sila na ang lamig pa din sa tenga.
And in the bad times I feel myself above the deep end. Watch as I die. I'll never meet the ground.
Nice!
Crash to the surface where they can hurt us. We'll fall from the shallow now.
Lamig!
In the shadow. In the shadow.
Oh my God! Si JM, grabe naman! Grabe naman na tinginan!
We're far from the shallow now.
Grabe yung low notes sila, no? Ay, tapos na? Ay, tapos na. Pinutol na naman nila. There you go, guys. That is our for today's video. The performance of JML sings Shallow sa online Showtime. Sa Showtime Online You. Sana may full cover sila nito. Such an eargasm. Ang ganda sa tenga. Sa totoo lang. So, yeah. This is KJ Evelyn Vlog, sa Filipino actor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. And see you on my next vlog. Bye!